This has nothing to do with RVs. Alright, fixing my Xbox 360. I've already got everything disassembled. I am replacing the laser right here. I've already taken out the, where is it? The white piece that goes on here, as well as remove that that ribbon right there. I think the next part is removing this. I know it's really hard to see this metal plate right here. Yep. Alright, managed to get this little, oh shit. And no, this is magnetic, fuck. Managed to get that little fucking metal plate out. That was attached right here. I know it's hard to see, but there's a metal pin right here. I'm gonna have to remove next. I mean, you just kind of push it to the side and it pops out. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. So I got that little spring out. Now I've got to pull the laser back. Oh, there we go. And remove one of the left bar. I don't know which one that is relatively, so I'll just kind of show you afterwards. Alright, it's out. It's gonna look like this. Alright, so I doubt you'll be able to see it, but right here, this is the new laser, by the way. Right here, right where the tip of my finger is a solder ball. Before you install the new damn laser, make sure to remove that. I don't have that, so I'm going to heat up like a screwdriver and hopefully that'll work. So it was a bitch and a half to get that little solder, whatever the fuck it's called, that little ball of steel or whatever the fuck it's called right here off. But I managed to do it without a solder gun. I just had this little wood tip burning thing, so I used that instead. Worked just fine. Now I've got to research that. I forgot what I did with the other steps, so yeah, I'll show you. Alright, it was a bitch and a half, but I managed to get the spring in. I know it's hard to see, but that's it right there. Yeah, right there. Then I put this metal piece back in, right there. Now, reinserting this white piece. Alright, got it back in. Let's see if it works. Well, unfortunately, that was a failure.